Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use Instants on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Once the app opens, you will see your home feed where posts and stories appear. Now, look at the bottom middle of the screen and tap on the messages icon. This will open your Instagram DM section. Honestly, this is where all chats and media sharing happens. So once it opens, we can find the Instants feature. Now, in the Messages section, look at the bottom right side. You will see the Instants option images camera style icon. Tap on it to open the instant sharing feature. This is where you can quickly capture and send temporary photos. Now tap on the camera icon at the top right corner. This will open your camera for taking instant photos. Keep in mind that these photos are temporary and cannot usually be saved or screenshotted easily. So use this feature for quick sharing only. Now press the circle button to take your picture. Once you capture it, the instant will be ready to send. This is a very fast way to share moments with your friends. So make sure your photo is clear before sending. Now at the bottom, choose whether you want to send it to friends or close friends. Tap on your preferred option to share your instant. This helps you control who can see your temporary photo. So always select carefully before sending. And that's how you can easily use Instants on Instagram step by step. It's a fun and quick feature for sharing temporary moments with your friends. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for more easy guides like this.